Welcome to Let's Ride Side by Side, where I'm laser focused on the machine. In this case, the 2021 Polaris RZR Trail 900 Ultimate Ghost Edition. I'll talk about what it can do, why I chose it, the accessories, and how to install them. We're going to do a quick walk around here of the 2021 Polaris RZR Trail Ultimate Ghost Edition, and we'll talk a little bit about the reasons why I chose this versus the Trail S or any of the others. I looked at pretty much all the different brands and decided that the trail width was right for me for a couple of reasons. I'll talk about the trailer. So another one of the reasons why I went with trail width, this is a 6x12 trailer. Had I gone any wider than 50 inches, I would have had to go to a much bigger trailer. So fits height-wise, you certainly have to take off the roof on the Ultimate because it adds about 3 inches to the height of the vehicle. So that just pops off. So that comes off and it slides in a 6x12 pretty easily. If I take a walk around the side, you'll see that it fits nicely up here as well. It's over to the side right now for ease of access in and out. I slide it in the middle before I lock it down and secure it. But perfect size for a fit for the trailer. And I'll talk a bit about the trails that we ride on around here. But this thing is super capable. We had it out. I've had it about 3 weeks now, so we've had it up the last couple of weekends. We've had it out on some pretty good trail rides, and super capable. Fox shocks, of course. Those are in the lime green to match the accents. I've added the windshield. I've added the seismic pursuit night vision mirrors. I've added the low profile rock sliders, front and back bumpers, of course. And right now I've got the roof off, and the reason for taking that off is that it adds an additional 3 inches to the height, which is fine in most cases. So I've been taking it off and putting it back on when I go out riding. But now that I have the windshield on there, it's less convenient to do that. I am putting a translucent 1/4 inch scratch resistant roof on it, which will stay on permanently. That'll fit in and out of the trailer with no problems. But so main reason I selected this was places to ride are trail friendly, 50-inch wide. Most of my buddies have quads, which are all the narrower width, so I ride on a lot of trails with them, deer hunting trails and things like that. It does have the ride command, which is fantastic. It's got the sound system. Sound system's pretty decent. It could use a subwoofer if you really need to hear it, but it's fine for what I'm doing. I did add the convex rear view mirror as well, which was super helpful. You can also turn on the rear view camera. It does have a backup camera, but you can turn that on while you're headed forward, and to watch people behind you, so you don't have to turn around. So that's kind of nice. But plenty of room. It's got a couple of cup holders in there. It does have a regular gauge display with miles per hour and RPM, which is nice. Power to weight ratio is good. So 75 horsepower to the 1,298 pounds dry weight. The Fox adjustable shocks, again, I haven't really played with those. Those are on the middle setting right now, but I do plan to play with those and check the adjustments. Got a nice little piece of waterproof carpet back there, so when I haul a chainsaw or whatever. It does have a hitch. I do have a 3-way hitch that I stick in there, which has got a 2-inch ball. It's got a loop, and it's got a hole to pull my little garden trailer. Back bumper, super easy to install. That's covered in another video for quickest way to do that. I've learned a lot installing some of these accessories, so sharing those on the videos, of course, to help others maybe do it a little quicker or efficiently, or learn by my learnings or perhaps some of my mistakes along the way. Put the rock sliders on last night. I ended up going with the blue because I just thought they would look cool with this color combination. The translucent roof that I have coming in, I think, has a little bit of a blue tint to it, so it might be kind of nice. But this thing is really awesome. We've had it out. I've had it out on night rides with the Pursuit night vision mirrors, and those things are fantastic. These are aluminum They mount right up to the 1.75 inch cage. They've got 3 settings. They've got here for the passenger, and then I can collapse them all the way in so when I'm loading in the trailer. And I think they also push out a little bit in case you hit trees or whatever. But those things are really fantastic. It's got 2 settings. It's got a white light and it's got a green light. You can run them independently, of course. And they really light up the path around the sides of the vehicle. So that's pretty cool as well. Seats are super comfortable. It's got the regular seat belts, of course. You can't go over 15 miles an hour without having your seat belts on, which is good. Steering wheel is a little bit smaller than last year's edition from what I understand. And again, it's tilt, so you can take it up and down to make it, put it in the right position. Ride command, super nice. Again, it's on the gauges right now, but you can switch over to the GPS, and of course you have different options that you can set. Also has Bluetooth, so I connect my phone via Bluetooth. Has a USB connection inside the dash as well. The passenger motorcycle style oh shoot handles, I guess I would call it, but passengers can hold on to this, and they're nice and tight, don't vibrate. Great place for them to hang on when you're zipping around the trails. The only thing I might do is I might upgrade the tires and rims. I might go up to 27s with a little more aggressive profile for mud. So there you have it, 2021 Polaris RZR Trail Ultimate Ghost Edition. Super fun, 50-inch, and really does a nice job in and out of tight turns, tight trails. One thing I really like about this is it also has turf mode, which the others did not. If you jump up to the 1000cc, you lose the turf mode. So running around the backyard or cutting across, neighbors' yards or whatever, keeps from tearing up the turf, which is super nice because it gives you that single wheel propulsion in the back. All right, more videos to come. They'll be all about the vehicle.